The Battle of Fort McHenry took place on September 12th of 1814 in Baltimore, Maryland. The battle raged on for 3 days through the pouring rain. The scene was disastrous. As Francis Scott Key wrote,
"The rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air."
a week before the battle, a 35-year-old American lawyer named Francis Scott Key boarded a British ship in Chesapeake Bay. He hoped to persuade the British to release his friend, Dr. William Beans, who was taken prisoner by the British. Key's tactics had worked, however, because they boarded the ship and gained knowledge of the attack on Baltimore, the British did not let them leave. They were allowed to return to their boat, but they were being guarded heavily by the British. They would be released only after the bombardment on Fort McHenry. A total of 334 people were killed during the battle, and a high majority of them were British. He watched the 25-hour bombardment 8 miles away under scrutiny.
It seems as though Mother Earth had opened up and was vomiting shot and shell in a sheet of fire and brimstone,
Francis wrote later. When it started to get dark, all you could see were bright red eruptions in the bleak night sky. Given the circumstance, Francis was sure that the British had won. Time passed, and the sun started to rise. What he saw was the American flag flowing over Fort McHenry, announcing their victory. The sight of the flag flowing majestically over the fort caused Francis Scott Key to be filled with patriotism, and he wrote a poem that is now called the Star-Spangled Banner. The poem Francis Scott Key wrote aboard the ship became our nation's national anthem almost 86 years ago in March 1931. The Star-Spangled Banner consists of a total of 4 verses. However, we usually only sing the first one. Our national anthem is very important to the nation. It's played at sports games and events and is highly respected by Americans.